Today I'm going to show you how to track campaign analytics in Mailchimp. Alright, so what we're going to do here on the left hand side is we're going to go to analytics, and right now we are using Mailchimp's sample data. If you really want to find out more about your analytics, which is a very important part of your business, you need to understand what is actually happening. Your analytics will tell you exactly that. You need to go and upgrade to a standard plan at least. So you can upgrade directly from this page and you'll be able to see your own data. Now over here, you can see that there's a date range. So for example, we're going to look at the last 30 days and we can compare it to the last 31 days or audience averages. We can also filter our message name over here. So we've got currently everything selected. So this is what we're viewing. And then we have got our performance over here. Okay, so here we've got the performance, our monitor performance. We've got revenue, average order, revenue, average orders, the amount of orders, and then our click rate. We've got our performance over time. You can change the rate over here. So between day, week, and month, you'll be able to see here. And then we've got our conversions. You can choose between email and SMS on the right hand side. And then if you come down over here, we've got delivery. We can also change the rate over here from day to week to month. And this is now all of the reports that we have over here. Now, if you go up to the analytics settings, you will have another window opened here, another tab opened, and here you can enable bot filtering and Apple MPP to ensure your marketing data is clean and it's accurate and it reflects genuine human engagement. And you just need to note that opens and clicks are only tagged as filtered from view and they're not permanently deleted. All right, so here you can change that. You can turn that on, and the bot click filtering, you can turn that on as well. And then we go over here, we have the SMS registration and the SMS program, and then attribution windows. You can turn this on over here for an audience, and you can just connect whatever store you'd like to connect with email as well as SMS. Go ahead and click on save over there. You've now explored all of the analytics in Mailchimp.